Okay, so when we're solving exponential and logarithmic inequations, there's nothing really different to when we're just solving regular inequations and inequalities, okay? We're going to be using the same sort of methods as we'd be solving a regular exponential equation, except just this time it's with a different symbol. So let's jump in and have a look and see what these look like. So we're going to start off with 4 to the power of x is less than or equal to 64. So we're going to start off by clicking the pen, and I'm going to start off by just quickly recopying the thing down again. Now, when is 4 to the power of x less than or equal to 64? Well, what I can do is I can rewrite 64 as, well, 4 to the power of 3, because that's what it is equal to, 4 to the power of 3. Now I've got that 4 as the base for both of my numbers. 4 to the power of x is less than or equal to 4 to the power of 3. When is 4 to the power of x less than or equal to 4 to the power of 3? Well, it's just when x is less than or equal to 3. And we can verify that too with any number. So let's try, think about a number, 2. 2 is less than or equal to 3. So if I put 4 to the power of 2, is that less than or equal to 64? Well, 16 sure is, so that's definitely one that works. Now, part B is a little bit different, and that we've got a logarithm. So we've got log base 10 of x is greater than 8. So what this is basically saying is 10 to the power of 8 is equal to what? Like, just think about the exponentials. How do I rewrite this as an exponential? It's base 10, power of 8 is greater than x. Okay. Well, actually, sorry, in this case, it's going to be the other way around. It's going to be x is greater than 10 to the power of 8. Because it's essentially asking you, okay, here's your base 10. My power is 8. I want all the values, though, when the power is greater than 8. Okay, so x is greater than 10 to the power of 8. So x must be greater than or equal to, so 10 to the power of 8. What's that? 1 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 100 million. So x has to be greater than or equal to 100 million. And that's pretty much it. That's how you solve them all. Let's say, though, you had log base 5 of x is greater than 4. Let's say you had something like this. Then the way you'd do this one is you'd say, well, x must be greater than or equal to 5 to the power of 4. And that's all it is. So 5, 25, 125, so it's 625. So x has to be greater than or equal to 625. That's all it is. You just got to rearrange it back into its back into its exponential form, and that gives you your value. So with that being said, that's all we need to talk about in this video, and we've got our last little sort of section coming up in the next one.